Time to wind down. Let's start the evening routine. No stress, just vibes. Let's remember every awkward thing that you said today instead. Nope, we're relaxing. Lavender says relax.
Brush, floss, fluoride, repeat.
What if you swallowed toothpaste and now your organs are dissolving?
It's fluoride free, and so are your opinions.
I'm just gonna scroll for 5 minutes. 5 minutes will turn into 2 hours and you'll hate yourself. Not tonight, Satan.
Lights out, brain off.
Great. Lights out, existential dread on. What's your 5-year plan? What's the meaning of life? Meaning is sleep. We'll talk in the morning. Okay, but real quick,